Hi guys, have you ever seen this device? If yes, do comment in the comment section. If not, I'll let you know in this video. Guys, this is an mechanical timer switch with duration of 5 minutes. Its model name is DXT5. It can carry up to 1.5 amps. Usually it is used in old washing machines. Now I'll show you the basic working of this switch. The pointing to terminals are switching contacts. Lower one is fixed contact and the upper one is movable contact. When the knob is twisted, then the movable contact gets in contact with fixed contact, then switch will be in on position for the duration of 5 minutes. For clear understanding, I'll show you the connections with the light load. For making simple switch circuit, I took an 3.8 volts battery and making connections. For understanding visually, I took an LED and making connections as per simple switch circuit. As you can see that the LED is off now, but the LED started to glow after twisting the knob. As per the timer function, the LED is on as per the mentioned time specification of the timer, here that is 5 minutes. Then we can say that the LED will be in on up to 5 minutes later the timer acts an off switch. I hope you like this video. Subscribe our channel to learn more.